I hear you. My buddy is. There you go.
Fast?
Yeah.
Well, let's see what color flats I got.
I knew you was gonna say that.
Hey,
It don't take much.
I threw that direction and I ain't get shit. They ain't even look, so clearly something's going on over there.
Hit him with the Jimmy Hugh top drop. Let's get it. I don't want to look back where I'm casting. He's so ignorant. Oh my God! Kenny, that's giant. Get your rods. That's your PB. That's your PB.
You gotta swing.
Where you hook at? In his mouth. You got two of them? Bro, what's that in that?
I don't know.
Oh, why is mine in his mouth? No, that's
mine.
yours. Why you got two lures though? Look. Dude, what? That's
mine.
your lure. That's your old lure. You caught that back. That's that fish. Oh my God. You caught the same fish. You have the dumbest luck. And he get his stuff back. My stuff, but his stuff.
Mine, man.
Yeah, I'll let you have it for good luck. Ooh, you finally did it. You finally did it. I need it over there. You finally did it. Look at that, guys. He finally did it.
Finally broke it.
Somebody finally grew up.
617.
617. Whew. He finally did it. His PB. So I can get a fish like that. Somebody down there now. Look. I'll keep us moving, but that wind is good. Look, he's sitting down there. Jeez, bro, look, he just can't kill it. Look, there you go. I saw that on Pan Optics. Saw him turn on it on Pan Optics. I was seeing him turn around and crush that on Pan Optics. Head first, Bubba, they want that.
Let me go back to the trap.
You top drop. Let's get it. Gonna be somebody. Man, quit cussing on camera. How does it feel to break your PB, sir, on camera? And don't try too hard. Just be natural.
It feels great.
Does it feel good?
It feels better.
You feel like a man?
That bass that got away from me that I knew was a PB
Yeah.
3 weeks ago.
Do you feel like a bull right now?
I feel like a bull.
Where the soap's running down to your pubes. You feel good about yourself right now?
Hair down to my ball
pros. Yeah, there you go, Bubba. Look at them guys. I just wanted to get an interview with him because he caught it. He finally broke the PB.
Broke 6.
So,
and not only that, I caught the one. And we know it was the one because I got my lure back.
he got his lure back. It's sitting down there. It's my lure, but I gave it to him because of the fact that he caught it back. Mega bass. It's the type of guy I am.
He gave it to me because he never liked it.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
Over on.
Be like tournament. That don't work with us. Oh, here we go, Bubba. Net.
You want to say it one more time?
Net. Nets. This damn bluegill junk just be jumping, bro. now move. Damn. Over on. That don't work with us.
Ah, there you go.
Net.
I'm right here. Yeah.
Net.
You want to say it one more time?
Nets. Damn bluegill junk just be jumping, bro.
Now move.
now move. Damn.
You feel my nuts on the back of your neck. It's not my fault. Got him. Net.
You gotta really do this. You don't need a net to jump. Don't go put that boy. I wonder if they want bluegill chatterbaits. I mean, bluegill lipless. I don't know.
I don't know either. I'm not sure.
Not know.
I don't know, but I just bird nested the shit out of my stuff.
Hit him with the Jimmy Hugh top drop. Nice solid one.
Here, hold on.
Hit doubles. Come on, guys. Can't even want to do a double up. Hit him with the Jimmy Hugh top drop this way. Well, I can't see you. And I don't want to see that area. Hell no. You need to come over here. Come on, man. Quit playing with that damn track.
It's like all the way in this. Like,
on my bag.
alright, ready?
We can do the old tactical basket deal now. Get him with Jimmy Hugh. Let's get it. Ooh, somebody in the column, Bubba. Net. Net, definitely net. Like, ASAP, Bubba. Maybe not. Maybe not. I'll bow flip him, Kenny. Net. Awesome. Hey, let's go. Fuck.
Both sides of his mouth.
Mm-hmm. Oh Lord, and you're over there. You heard me.
What happened?
I said, oh Lord, and you're over there.
Uh-oh.
It's not big. Nah. Watch out for my bass. He came in hot.
I'm about to. I'm waiting on you.
I'm waiting on you.
Oh.
I got a fish too. I wanted dubs. Dubbies.
Dubbies.
Dink. Cheers. Hit him with the old Jimmy Hugh top drop. We don't kiss pickerels.
Nah. Get the.
Get what?
Yeah, get one in my mouth.
Baby, look. Look at that nigga. That's how you report back to the bear.
Look.
Baby, look. Look
Ready?
at what I just did. Yeah. She gonna be like, what is that, Ken? I know. Net. He's an active one. What kind of bass is that doing that, bro? Like, he's active as crap. You see that? Him jetting around like that?
Is anybody telling us what?
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. Because that was a fight. Made me think net. Hit him with the Jimmy Hugh. You fighting some B? God, Jesus. No, I don't feel it. Just one suspended right there. Boy, boy. Come on. Oh, you hurt. There we go, Ken. Nice one.
It hit 513.
Oh, it did hit 513.
Oh, 520.
520. Look at that. Crappy C. Getting him. You having the day I had.
Yeah.
Payback.
Payback.
Oh, I was make sure my damn line was right here. All right, hold him up. Stop trying to wait for the 5 bigger numbers to come out. Cheat ass. Let me wait till the big number come up, then I'm gonna take the picture. Nigga, I know what you doing. Get that big salad bag. I gotta get a picture of you on yours too. Where your phone? And he get his stuff back. My stuff, but his stuff.
Mine, man.
Yeah, we'll let you have it for good luck.
Bluegill.
Awesome. Hey, let's go. Fuck. Hold him by the back.
I'm going to. I'm waiting on you.
I'm waiting on you.
Oh.
I got a fish too. I want a Debs. Debbie's.
Debbie's.
Cheers. God. Ah,
Get the net.
check this out, guys. Kenny with stick roll. Don't break the line. Just go on and get it.